LinkedIn continues to entice LinkedIn members who are not paying to start paying. Let me show you the newest change I've discovered that may be of interest to you. Maybe not, but at least you need to know about it. You notice I'm using what's called creator mode. Every time you see a profile that has talks about, shows the number of followers, and maybe has this button here with different words, that's someone who's using creator mode. Let me show you what that does. Check this out. I'll bring up my my buddy Kevin D. Turner. Here he is right here. He's using creator mode, and he's also a premium subscriber of LinkedIn, and he has this button, visit my website. Now look what happens when I click on message. When I go to send him a message, look, at the very top, visit my website. I discovered this earlier today when I was looking at my network, and I had this lady who sent me an invite. Let me see, got to go see all to find it. It's right here, Allison, and I went to reply to her, and I've already started a conversation with her, but look, I'm not even connected with her yet. Matter of fact, it doesn't even show me the what typically I would see, the X or the check marker for me to ignore or connect. It wants me to visit her website first. Now, how do we get that? Two things have to happen. Number one, Allison needs to be a premium member and she needs to be using creator mode. Number two, I have to be a premium member as well. So if you're a premium member of LinkedIn, looking at messaging of another premium member of LinkedIn who is using creator mode, you're going to see if they have a custom button, you're going to see that custom button in the messaging. And by the way, the custom button comes from when you set up your LinkedIn profile and you edit your top card right here. There's my custom button. Right here is the pencil. You'll see that at the very bottom, custom button, edit the custom button, which I've already done. And I use book an appointment and this URL. Just something new that I discovered on LinkedIn I thought you may want to know about. Again, I think it's LinkedIn looking for little ways to entice LinkedIn members who are not paying to start paying. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator dude. Hope this is useful for you. By the way, if you like these videos that I create for you all about using LinkedIn and Sales Navigator as a business tool, consider one of two or both of these ideas. Number one, go find my YouTube channel at TL Burriss, Burriss. And at the very least, subscribe and ring the bell. Maybe you might want to join the private membership group where I give content to that group, private content on a regular basis. Or maybe go find my Quora space, masterlinkedin.quora.com. At the very least, follow that space. Again, you might want to also consider subscribing because I give rich content here before I put it anywhere else to help people master using LinkedIn as a business tool. Thank you very much.